Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Another Dope. And today, what I'm be doing is diving in a little bit more into the greatness of this surround sound system from Ultimea. So, as you guys may already know, I have the Ultimea A50 Pro, which is a center speaker in the front, has a subwoofer on the ground over here, and I have a rear surround speaker here and a rear surround speaker there. So in total, it's five speakers and one subwoofer. Inside of this center speaker, we have the left center, the center, and the right center inside of this center speaker. You have your power buttons, your source, you have your volume up and your volume down, and also Bluetooth right on the touch controls on top. This is a remote control, which gives you full access to pretty much every single thing. You have surround sound controls, you have treble, mid, bass, mute, pause and play, volume up, volume down, and quick access to HDMI, EARC, whatever the case might be is. And also you have your quick audio settings. So let's say if you want to go from movies to music to sports, whatever the case is, you have a quick control right over here. So, as I said, I'm going to be playing a few audio clips just so you get an understanding of how great this system is. So, I try to find a few things. One, which would be a 5.1 display, which is the first video right here. A Atmos display, which is this is a Atmos system. So the A50 Pro is a Dolby Atmos display, and also something where you could hear spatial audio, which means sound coming from the roof, sound coming from the left, the right, whatever the case is. Even though this doesn't have, so even though technically this is not a 5.1.2, the point two would mean upward firing speakers. This doesn't have this, but I still want you to hear how great the 360 spatial audio mapping is with this. This is being played on YouTube, so obviously there's different compression ratios and all other good high-tech sound quality stuff that the song guys and the song experts could dive into. But this is just to show you how good this is. I'm going to start the volume off at 40 and maybe bump it up to 50 so we could get a nice clear understanding of that. All right, let me just make sure everything is all set. First video is called The Jungle. So again, subwoofers down here, rear speakers on the back over here, and the center speakers in the front. And we'll be going as soon as this ad is complete. So ad is done, hit the skip on the ad. All right, so here we go. So this is where I would be normally sitting if I'm looking at the TV. So real quick, in this video, it shows LS, which means left surround, so that means the left rear speaker. It shows L for your left center of the center speaker. It shows C for center, right for the right side. Obviously, that would be of the front center speaker, and it shows RS. That would be for your right rear surround. So the lines obviously will show you which audio is playing on which particular speaker. Good to know. All right, now let's check that out. Here we go. Volume at 40. I'm gonna take the volume up to 50. I can hear the flies going from front to rear, left to right. You can hear the chainsaw, you can hear the rattling of the chainsaw, you can hear the clarity of how amazing the system is. I hope you guys can pick up on the clarity of this. I have a new microphone that I'm using. So I hope this microphone is grabbing how clear this audio is. So, all right, let me go to another video. This video is called The Leaf. So I'm just gonna be quiet for this video. It's a short video. So hopefully the Leaf gives you a clear display of how great this audio is. Let's go. Volume at 55 this time. Again, I hope this microphone picked up the transition from left to right, front to back, the swirl, the full immersiveness of that actual system. One last display, just so you guys can get a real nice understanding of how great this audio is. This is called 360 spatial. So this goes front, left, back, right, and even audio that's supposed to be coming from on top of you. Again, the system does not have the upward firing speakers, but even though it doesn't have it, I hope the microphone picks up just how good it sounds. It actually, to me at least, it sounds like if it's coming from on top. So hopefully this audio comes across pretty good. All right, let's check this out. For this, I'm gonna bump the volume up to 60. So yeah, if you don't have a surround sound system by now, I gotta highly recommend it. This is probably one of the best investments I've made. Not a very expensive speaker. As a matter of fact, when I got it, I was extremely shocked how small the actual system was. Like compared to my old system, the subwoofer of my old system is bigger than all of this put together. As a matter of fact, let me show you my old subwoofer. This is my old subwoofer here. That Bose subwoofer is about 4 times bigger than this. And the audio quality, actually speaking, I have a video coming up with that pretty soon. So you gotta check that out. You gotta admit, this A50 Pro, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Until next time.